show you the quick slice and 2 different ways that you can use it. The first way is on a cucumber, or you could do the same thing with a zucchini. I'm just going to peel it, using our vegetable peeler. And then I'm going to slice it in even slices. The quick slice is perfect for things like hard-boiled eggs, kiwi, bananas, mushrooms, strawberries, peppers, all sorts of fruits and vegetables. So to slice it, you just put your cucumber or zucchini or whatever you want right on here, rock back and forth, press down, and then all of your cucumber pieces are evenly sliced. See? Quick slice. How easy that was. Now the other way that you can use it is, let's say you want to use it on a bell pepper. So let me show you on a piece of bell pepper. Sorry, let me do it this way. Just trying to be quick. Okay, so here is my piece of bell pepper. You're going to put it on there like this. You're going to press down, and now we have even strips. See how those are strips? Now, if you want to do dices, you then lay them this way on it, and you go down. And now we have dices. Ta-da! So this is such an amazing product because you can use it for so many different things. The quick slice.